Hello viewers, here we would be taking multiplication using Vedic math, and the examples or the questions we would be taking in this particular case would be those particular numbers or those particular digits which sum up to 10, 100 or so on. The sutra that we will be using over here is Ekadikain Purve, that means by one more than the previous one. And the other sutra that will be used is Antayayo Darshakayapi, that is the sum of last digit is 10. Now let's take the examples. The first is 12 into 18. Now as you can look into the pattern of the numbers, that the initial value is the same. First thing, and the second thing is that the sum of 2 plus 8 is 10. Hence, here we can use both the sutras. Now let's solve it out. We have 12 into 18. Now what the first sutra says? Ekadikain. It means by one more than the previous one. So what is the initial value that is same for both the digits? That is 1. We make it 1 more. So 1 plus 1 will become 2. So the LHS will have the value of 2. Now we use the next sutra, that is Antayayo Dashakayapi. What it signifies? That the sum of last digit is 10. As we have identified that 2 plus 8 is 10. So let's calculate the value of the RHS. For calculating the value of RHS, we have 2 into 8. So that is 16. So the answer will be 260. Let's verify it. We have 12, 18 and the answer is 216. 2 plus 1 is 3, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 plus 7 is 9, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. Hence our answer is perfectly fine. Now let's take the second example. That is 31 into 39. Let's identify the implementation of this particular rule. The first is that the digit in the LHS should be the same. So we have 3 for both the values. The second condition says that 1 plus 9, that is the sum of the last digit should be 10. So here we can use the sutra. So what we need to do is that we need to split into LHS and RHS. Okay. Now using Ekadikain Purve, what Ekadikain Purve says? Exceeded by 1. So 3 into 4, that is 12. And 9 into 1, that will be 0, 9. Now let's verify the answer. The first value is 31, the second is 39 and the answer is 1209. 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 plus 3 is 12, 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 into 3 is 12, 12 means 2 plus 1 is 3. Here the digital sum will be 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 means 2 plus 1 will be 3. So both the values are matching, hence our answer is right. So this was with the second example. So we have done with these two questions. Let's take the third example. The third example is 193 into 197. Checking the implementation, the first two digits need to be the same for both the values. The last digit should sum up to 10. So we have 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Now using the sutra, ekadikein purvein. So exceed 19 by 1, so that will be 20. For computing the LHS, we have 19 into 20. And the RHS will be 7 into 3. 19 2s are 38. We'll append a 0. 7 3s are 21. So our answer is 38021. Verification part: 193, 197, 38021. Let's calculate the digital sum. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 3 plus 1 4. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17, 7 plus 1 8. 8 4s are 32. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here we have 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 3 that is 14, and 4 plus 1 is 5. The digital values are matching. Hence we have done right. So next we take 304 into 306. Both values are same for either of the multiplier. Second case, 6 plus 4 is 10. Ekadikein, 30 will become 31 and LHS will be 30 into 31 and RHS will be 4 into 6. So 30 into 31, write 0 as it is, and it will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3 0. And this portion 6 2s are 24. The answer is 93024. The verification of the answer: 304, 306, 930 24. 3 plus 4 is 7, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 9s are 63, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer is right. So we have done with this. Now let's take up the last question. We have 198 into 102. Here, comparing both the values, 1 is same for both the values. Second thing, 98 plus 2 will give us 100. Now let's make out the calculation, LHS and RHS. For LHS, ekadikein exceed 1 by 1, so we get 2. 1 into 2 will be 2. The LHS will have simply 2. For the RHS, we have 98 into 2, so that will be 196. Now what we have identified, that 98 plus 2 is 100. So the number of places in the RHS will be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What we have made out by multiplying 98 into 2, we have got 196. So we need to append 0 over here. And the answer will be 20196. Verification of the answer. We had 198, 102, 20196. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, 9 3s are 27. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is perfectly fine. So in this particular video, we learned about how to go for multiplication for those particular values where the last digits are summing up to 10, 100 or so on. And second condition was where the initial values need to be same. The sutras which we had used was ekadikein purvein, that is by one more than the previous one, and antayayo dashakeyapi, that is the sum of last digit is 10. Thanks a lot.